if you want to remove thread 1 from the clock on OnePlus 15R, then here's what you can do. So unfortunately, if you have this widget over here with the clock, you cannot really do anything, but we can just simply use another widget. So we're gonna remove this one, and in order to get a new widget with a clock that does not have thread 1, we can of course go to the Play Store and we can use, let's say, the clock app made by Google. So let's search for a clock. There we go, we have clock by Google. Let's install it. And this clock app has a couple of different widgets that we can use. So now we're gonna press and hold our finger on an empty space on the home screen, and we're gonna go to widgets in here. We can select this clock over here, and as you can see, we have a couple of different options. So let's say I'm gonna choose this digital one, 2x2. Let's press add. We can also choose the clock style. I'm gonna choose the transparent one. And now, as you can see, we have our clock that does not have red 1. Of course, you can also search for different apps that have widgets for clocks that you can add to the home screen if that's what you want. This is just an example. Now, besides that, we can of course find the red 1 on the lock screen. In this case, the workaround is much simpler. We just have to go to the home screen, lock screen, and style. Now in here, I'm just gonna use another theme as an example. So let's say I'm gonna tap on here in order to edit the lock screen. Now we're gonna tap on the clock in here, and if we scroll down, then at the bottom we can change the color. So let's say I can choose this bluish or this reddish color, and I can just move it all the way to the right side to make it as white as possible. And now, as you can see, the number 1 is not red anymore. And you can also go for this one that is matching, I guess, the wallpaper, but that is pretty much it. Of course, you can also try to use an app that allows you to replace the lock screen. However, it is just much more work that has to be done in order to actually make it look in somewhat a decent way. And of course, you remove the option for yourself to easily customize the lock screen and synchronize it with the style that you have on the home screen. But that is like a complex thing, more complex at least. So I believe this setting trick is just much better. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.